Hi everybody, welcome to my channel DS Champs. So this is Educator 001. In this channel, we'll be actually teaching you all about the basics of data science. Along with the data science, we'll be actually having more explanation and more like content on SQL part, Python, like Excel also, maths as well as some other related tools and skills which are required to be a data scientist in the current scenario. So this channel is basically created on this motive, and I will be called by my name called Educator 001, and this will be my goal. So we'll be actually having a few introduction. Let me prep this introduction for all of you. So our goal is basically to bridge the gap between the complex concepts and the practical understanding. So we will be actually doing this by doing more and more of practical understanding, practically showcasing the things, the concepts which are there, like the eigenvalue, eigenvector concepts, the matrix concepts, the concepts in the like all the machine learning algorithms. So these all will be actually done graphically, practically to help you understand the difficult ideas in a very simple and layman language. My motive would be to equip all of the aspiring data scientists with the necessary programming skills by teaching you Python, SQL, like visualization tools as well, and also simultaneously prepare you for the interview preparation techniques to so that you can excel in your career. Maybe you can be just a fresher, you can be an experienced person in the data science community, you can be an experienced person in a non-data science and a non-tech community as well. You can join our courses, and thereafter you'll be able to study and move ahead. For now, so we are actually launching it for the free cost. There is no cost associated, it's going to be completely free. And I would be able, would be entertaining any of your recommendations, or you can even support me on Patreon, or you can support me through other UPI apps if you want to support my initiative which I want. So that this will be actually very helpful for those students who are kind of in a situation where not have enough money and they still want to learn data science. So the money is not going to be a problem in this case. Okay. uh, in this so what we'll be doing is, in this video series we'll be breaking down the complex data science and machine learning concepts into easily digestible explanations. And our approach is to use very relatable analogies and real world examples and visual aids, to simplify topics, like regression, classification, clustering, deep learning, and more. So, definitely if we present it in a more interactive manner, in a more accessible manner, I think that we'll be able to understand it more and have a very deeper understanding. Not only for the tech people, but those who are from a non-tech background, this can also be a very helpful tool for them. So I know I can. I'm working on this idea that anybody who has got some experience, with anything like it's a non-tech experience also, they can also learn my lessons. They can actually come to my channel, and they will be treated with something which they can learn day by day, and then proceed ahead. Okay. So as we know that programming is definitely going to be a part of this, and it will be very difficult, for those who are completely unaware of what is programming skills, what are things. For those, I can recommend, you can actually go to the Python sessions and Python, other channels available. But I would say that over here you will be able to have expertise. You'll be having content on Python and SQL, which will be which is very widely used in the data science field. So you will be able to actually do programming in Python right from the very scratch, the basic part, and going to the intermediate and the advanced level as well. We'll going through all of this, like basics of variables, loops, conditional statements, functions, data structures, and all. This will be a part of our programming as well. So building the strong foundations. Thereafter, once you are good with programming and Python and all, we will also teach you this machine learning part, and along with that, the interview preparation strategies. So there will be like one-to-one sessions, kind of scenarios where we will be mimic that. If you want to be a data scientist, if you want to be a data analyst, if you want to be a machine learning engineer, if you want to be an MLOps guy, what all things you need to prepare for, and what will be your strategy to prepare for. If you are from a tech background, what should be the strategy we should attain. If you from a non-tech background, maybe like from a mechanical field or a civil field or any other field, you are trying to enter this, what should be the best strategy for you. This will be the discussion points in the interview preparation strategies which we'll be doing. uh, then we will also do some hands-on project work which we will be doing live on my laptop, which will be already recorded to all of you, and you can do the same as a hands-on simultaneously, because I will also be preparing and sharing you basic the practical sheets which I'll be working on the session to all of you in my description links, so that you can actually connect and practice as well. And definitely the conclusion on this will be like, so I would recommend that you please join us on our YouTube channel, and then we can collectively embark on a journey to demystify the complexities of data science and machine learning. That's why I have actually also kept my name as like, let's demystify learning, or learning demystified. So this will be free for all of you, and this would be actually very helpful for those who are not from a very tech background, and they're from non-tech background, and they are starting things for the first time, as well as there will be also concepts which are very difficult to understand even for people who are already in the field. So there will be like small bites, or like a few minutes of videos explaining one concept in detail, and then you can move ahead. So it would be like a continuous story, and I wish that I'll be actually publishing this on a daily basis. On a number of like videos will come out, and I expect your best luck and best wishes for this to continue. Okay, thanks. Bye, all of you.